Tomorrow, 7th of September, it's a total lunar eclipse, blood moon eclipse or Rahu Grasta Chandra Grahana. This is happening in Kumbha Rashi. Rahu is in Purva Bhadrapad Nakshatra, second pada, which is at 24 degree. And Chandra will be at Shatabhisha Nakshatra at the start of eclipse, and then he'll move to Purva Bhadrapad Nakshatra. So this is the basic details. I think most of you would be aware if you have watched my videos. If not, please go to my YouTube channel and watch the lunar eclipse related videos. And from Medini Jyotish point of view, we have already discussed that there will be larger amount of impact across the world. And lunar eclipse effects immediately is visible within a week and will last for the months. But this time there is a small change which even I have mentioned in my videos, but repeating it again because majority of the astrologers are literally panicking people that it will be something very bad or whatever things which we have seen in the social media. That is, the protector of the universe, Jiva Karaka, Jupiter or Guru or Brihaspati being in Mithun Rashi is aspecting this Kumbha Rashi through its 9th aspect. I have told this several times, astrology is not about one planetary position or 2-3 planet conjunction at all. It is about the collective position of all the planets, and the theory of relativity also will hold good to a very great extent. Jupiter is sitting in Mithun Rashi and through its 9th aspect is aspecting this Rahu and Chandra's conjunction or the eclipse which is happening in Kumbha Rashi. So Jupiter is the protector of universe. He is the Jiva Karaka. He has every capability to evade of the negative results which this Rahu and Chandra will cause in Kumbha Rashi. And that too, Jupiter is at 24 degree in Mithun Rashi. So he is getting that 100% aspect on Rahu. So he has that complete control for some days because Guru is Atichari right now. So till that time Guru moves to Karkatak Rashi, that is in the mid of October, we won't be able to see major amount of negative effects. That's why Maharshi Parashara says in Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra that Ujjvala Dyotaka Shriman Sarvaloka Prayojakaha Doshaharta Sukadata Gurur Nityam Prashastakrit. That means Jupiter, Guru, is the remover of obstacles and giver of happiness, and he is someone who can give or bestow greater amount of abundance of auspicious benefits as well. So let's hope and pray that Guru's aspect will evade of major amount of negative results which can be caused by this Chandra Grahana. But after mid of October or from the start of October, we will start seeing the effect of this Grahana. Till then, we are safe. Thank you and keep watching Ramya Jyotish for more such content.